Will 5 rough rocks turn into stunning gems or a fractured mess? Watch what happens. Tigerseye, a metamorphic mineral with chatoyant fibers. It started weathered and dull, but after 20 days, these pieces show a rolling cat's eye effect as light ripples across the parallel fibers. Warm golds and browns with clean edges and a glossy finish. Redjasper, a silica-rich sedimentary rock colored by iron. It transforms into glossy deep red gems, each having its own character. Solid red, brecciated, veined, and even partially agatized. Sodalite, not a rock, but a soft blue mineral found in igneous formations. The final polish reveals deep, rich blues with bold white veins and a smooth, glassy surface. Fragile and coarse grit, it held up beautifully. Apache Tears, a natural volcanic glass. They begin dull and crusty, but polish into deep black nodules with clean, mirror-like shine. Simple, radiant, and surprisingly reflective. Carnelianagate, a sedimentary rock made of microcrystalline quartz. This piece polished fiery orange red, but also revealed hidden fractures. Not every rock becomes flawless, and that's part of the story. Each of these rocks went through the 4 tumbling stages: shaping, smoothing, pre-polish, and final polish. Some polished perfectly, some kept their scars. But every rock revealed something hidden inside the rough. My personal favorite was redjasper. Leave your ranking of the rocks in the comments below. If you enjoyed following this rock tumbling series, check out the geology explainers for each rock. They're linked in the description.